Get ready. Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, at the very outset, let me express my regrets that there is such a delay in replying to the debate on the rise in prices. But as you may recall, when Professor Das had initiated the discussion, I was expected to reply on the same day in the evening. But since a number of speakers were to make their speeches, I had my difficulty as I had to go for the meeting of the World Bank and IMF to plead the case of the developing countries. I sought the permission of the House that I might be permitted to reply to the debate on my return, and sir, the presiding authority and the House were kind enough to permit me to reply to the debate on my return. I propose to give an elaborate reply to the various points of view which were expressed by various members. Let me assure this House at the very outset that though I was not present during the speeches of some of the members of the House, I have carefully gone through the record of the entire proceedings of this debate, and I have taken note of various suggestions and the concern expressed by the members. Let me make it clear that I do not propose to undermine and underestimate the problem of the price behavior of the essential commodities in the country. I also deeply appreciate the serious concern expressed by members on both sides of the House regarding the price behavior of various commodities. They have made concrete and constructive suggestions to check the rise in prices. I shall take note of it and also try to place before the House the viewpoint regarding various steps that are being taken. In the beginning, let me point out to the House that before the behavior of the price manifested itself in a particular form, the House should consider the various constraints that existed while we tried to conduct and manage the economy in a specific direction. On 1st December 1999, unfortunately, the deficit was of the order of rupees 13,800 crores, and by the end of December it was of the order of rupees 11,800 crores. The House may recall that in the last budget the deficit projected was of the order of rupees 7,300 crores. There was a substantial rise